So now in practice action number 4, we're going to focus on the licks. All right, so now we got 5 different licks to go through, so let's break them down one by one. The first lick is just our triplets. Now remember, all we did is we're applying notes of the blues scale or the minor pentatonic scale to the rhythms that we just did in practice number 3, right? All right, so we have 5 different rhythms. We're just simply applying notes to those rhythms. If you didn't see my 8 steps on how to improvise, I would take a look at that lesson as well, because it kind of breaks down this whole approach of applying notes to rhythms. All right, so anyway, the first lick is this: trip-a-let, 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 trip-a-let. All right, so if you've gone through practice action 3, you've already done these rhythms. The fingering that I would tend to use is 2, 3, and 4, or 2, 1, and 4, or 2, 1, and 2. I'm sorry, 2, 1, and 3. Students might want to use their thumb in there, but I don't think that that's a very good fingering for this. I think you'd be better off using 2 to 1 or using 2 to 3. All right, so let's go ahead and play it. Let's play that lick over and over. Make sure you stay nice and relaxed. So you can see I'm switching my fingering around, trying different fingerings. Yeah, I don't like that one with the thumb. Also notice the accent on the first triplet. Triplet, triplet. Okay, all right, great. So now let's do lick number 2. All right, lick number 2 is trip-a-let, 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 trip-a-let. A-let, trip-a-let, trip-a-let, trip-a-let. The fingering I would use is 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3. I'm sorry, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. All right, so let's put that on with the backing track. And again, let's just loop that first line. 2, trip-a-let, trip-a-let. All right, great job. All right, let's move on to lick number 3. Lick number 3, we have the 2 triplets, and then the 8th notes. We're starting 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, right? And then 4, 3, 2, 1. Trip-a-let, trip-a-let, dee-ba, dee-ba. Take a measure rest in there. 2, 3, 4. And if you want to bump this up a little bit, you could add some grace notes. Right? 2, one more time. But if you don't feel comfortable playing those grace notes right now, or you don't fully understand them, don't worry about it. We'll get to that later. All right, so now lick number 4. Starts on the 2nd finger, then thumb, 2nd, middle, and then your octave. Ba tripa let dee ba dee ba. Ba tripa let dee ba dee ba. Ba tripa let dee ba dee ba. All right, let's play that with the track. 2 here we go. Ba tripa la dee ba dee ba. 2, 3, 4. Ba tripa la dee ba dee ba. You want a challenge? Add the chords in the left hand. Don't feel comfortable doing that? Leave them out. All right, great. Now, finally, the last lick, pretty simple, this one. Da, dee, ba, ba, dee, ba. So I'd start with my middle finger, second thumb, thumb, second thumb. Da, dee, ba, ba, dee, ba. Da, dee, ba, ba, dee, ba. Let's do that with the band. 2, here we go. Da, dee, ba, ba, dee, ba. Da, dee, ba, ba, dee, ba. All right, awesome. So now where do we go from here? So first of all, you can play the chords in the left hand while doing these licks. That would be a great ascension in your practice. You can also go from lick after lick after lick. Finally, what you can do is create your own licks. Right? So if you feel like you want to really challenge yourself, take the rhythms that you already have there, but change around the order of the notes or change the notes. For instance, let's take something simple as that first triplet, 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 right? So this very first rhythm here. So let's just take this, and rather than doing this, what if we do, or if we did triplet, 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 triplet. Or what if we did, even just coming down the minor pentatonic scale? So you can see how you could create your own licks, and then you create your own library of licks that then you can practice, get them down underneath your fingertips, and then bring them out in your playing, right? So it's really easy to be able to create the licks, but where it stems from is you have to make sure you really know the rhythm, and you want to make sure that you really know the form and progression of the blues. Anyway, that's it for practice action 4. I will see you in the next practice action.